How to set up a PIN on a Venture Capital One card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you how to change your Capital One credit card PIN, so make sure to watch until the end to learn everything you need to know. The easiest way to change your PIN is by your Capital One account online. So open a web browser and go to verified.capitalone.com and hit enter in your keyboard. Then this will directly take you to the login portal. And from here, enter your username in the first field, followed by the password in the second field, and sign into your account. After logging in using your credentials, go to your account settings and navigate to your control card section and click on it. Click on Get a Cash Advance and follow the instructions. Capital One will send you an email or the text with a code. Use this code to set a new PIN that you can start using right away. Alternatively, you can wait 7 to 10 days to receive your new PIN by mail. Other ways to get a new PIN is, if you prefer, you can also call the customer support to request a new PIN. You can call 1-800-274-2538, and if you know your current PIN, you can update it directly to a new one during the call. So there you have it. Follow the steps carefully to successfully change your Capital One credit card PIN. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.